This is Ria. With her distinctive taste buds, delicate and ever so moody. Like you, Ria rarely misses the chance to ask,
तो आज खाने में क्या है?
which is why we love Ria with her discerning palate. And you with your even more accomplished one. Then, of course, are our chefs, magicians with immaculate taste, always looking for a succulent challenge to sink their teeth into. Because fussy taste buds are for them Nirvana. Yes, Nirvana. So you, with a truly remarkable palate, care to embark on an incredible culinary journey? Do drop by. Our master chefs await.